An easy recipe, spicy coconut shrimp taco with bok choy garnish. You can find that video on my channel as well. Great street food. Let's go!
Okay, let's go. Whip that egg up, set it aside, bring out our shrimp. Let's pat them dry so we can remove all of that excess water. Once you've added your spices onto your flour, make sure you give it a good mix. That way those shrimp can be coated really well and have a lot of flavor for us. Okay, once we've got the shrimp coated in our flour, we're gonna give it a nice bath in that egg wash. Make sure they're really coated generously and then transfer them over. I'm using coconut flour here, which is also gluten-free. This gives a fantastic flavor to these shrimp and they're great for frying. See how nicely coated that is? We'll keep repeating this process over for all of our shrimp. You'll notice I'm using smaller shrimp here. I believe they're the 3140s this time. That's what I had on hand. That's what I used. No food goes to waste in Uncle Drew's kitchen. You may also notice here, I'm only wearing one glove. I'm using what's called wet hand, dry hand. I can handle all the dry ingredients with one hand, and the wet ingredients are that egg wash with my gloved hand. That way, as I'm tossing everything in the coconut flour, nothing is sticking to my hands and nothing goes to waste. Let's add some olive oil into that hot pan. I've got a few diced up onions here for a little bit of added flavor. And there are those nice, beautiful coconut covered shrimp. I'll be adding a little hint of fresh lemon and lime juice here as well. I've changed things up here a little bit tonight for these tacos. I'm using nice fresh lettuce. Again, that's what I had in the fridge. That's what I'm going to use. Nothing goes to waste. We'll load these shells right up. Some shrimp, and you'll see the nice bok choy garnish coming. That recipe is also on my channel. You can click right up here and that'll take you to that great video. Also, please do me a favor here. Like, comment, subscribe, and share all your friends. That way we can grow this channel. Hopefully you're all enjoying these recipes. They're all easy recipes. I'm hitting the tacos here with some nice fresh parsley. And here comes a little bit of hot sauce to give it a little extra zing. I love this sauce on my tacos.
Okay, this is gotta be delicious. These are gonna taste better because I'm wearing my new apron from my friend. She made it for me. Amazing. Let's go. Let's go. All right. The secret to these is you've got to use enough lettuce so you don't get any spillage. Let's see if I achieve that goal. I'm a seasoned taco eater. No spillage, no leakage. That's pretty good. Check that out. Fold up the end, wrap it in. Boom! These are off the charts delicious. I think having the new apron really gave them extra flavor. This is incredible. Thank you for the new apron, by the way. You know who you are, see? Oh boy, these are delicious. Oh my God. Street food, comfort food, Uncle Drew's kitchen. Boom. After another successful night in the kitchen, we hang our apron. I will never be hanging this apron up on Master Chef because I won't be sent home. I'm gonna keep wearing this the whole way through, baby. My apron does not get retired. That means we're coming back and we live to fight another day. Boom! Look at that apron. What an apron. That's incredible. She made that herself. That's incredible. All that glitters is gold, baby. Look at that. What an apron. I just admire that.